Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add star projection effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, if you want to add star projection effect, so you just click on the effect at the bottom, and after this you can click on the video effect. And at the menu, you can swipe until you can see shadow and then click on it. And after this, you can swipe down until you can see a star projection. This is a star projection. You can click on it. And after this, you can click on the check icon, this one. And now you can adjust the effect, so you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the speed and then for the background animation. And after this, you can click on the check icon at the bottom. And now you can set the effect until the end of the video. And finish. So that's how to add star projection effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye.